Your boy got the full body do-rag.
Hi guys, we are outside. Period. On a Thursday. Thursday, guys. Me personally, najua kesho nitakuwa zombie. Ni sawa. Tomorrow. See you at the venue.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I go by the name Awino S or Stenyo, and if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for always staying tuned. So guys, I recently attended a boiler room event which took place at the mall, which is located at Westlands upper rooftop. Yeah, and this event was organized, or not organized, it was sponsored by Valentine's. Yeah, so what you had to do was you had to RSVP, and if you get an invite, you could also invite one person to come with you. Yeah, so the invite also had redeemable drinks. Yeah, you were given 2 cocktails of your choice. You could decide of your choice. Yeah, so yeah, it was actually lit. I mean, you're attending the event free, plus you're also getting free drinks. Sounds like a good deal. Anyway, this event had so many influencers. Actually, I saw so many faces that I usually see on Instagram. I saw influencers, yani all the cool kids were there. Yeah, they showed up and they showed out, but the event was so good. Yeah, I'm gonna let you enjoy the vibes, and yes guys, stay tuned up until the end. Enjoy. Coco M's set was phenomenal. Like, yo, you guys, mi nilikuwa nasikia dombolo imemixiwa na amapiano. It was crazy. It was crazy. But yeah, this set was actually so lit. I loved it. Let's take a minute to appreciate Nairobians and Nairobi nightlife, because it is always a party. Like, when you are raving with Nairobians, they just know how to bring the house down. They know how to vibe. Like, these people were vibing. It was crazy. And we've come to the end of that amazing event. I hope you all enjoyed the vibes. Anyway, stay tuned for the Blankets and Wines vlog. Bye.